Hello students, welcome to my channel Positron. This time I have brought a very nice question of projectile motion. Right? It has been just I think in 2024 it had been the part of ITJ Advance. Right? Here look here, a body is projected with velocity u naught at an angle theta. Right? And when first time it hits the ground, its average velocity is v1 for, and this motion continues for the long time, right? For entire motion, average velocity is 0.8 v1, then find the value of alpha. First time average velocity is v1, right? And for the entire motion, average velocity is 0.8 v1. What we have to find out? We have to find out the average velocity for entire motion, and then ultimately on this base we have to solve for alpha. Dear student, the basic concept is what? How will we approach to the question? Our approach should be the average velocity is a total distance or total displacement divided by total time. Total displacement is r1 plus r2 plus r3 so on, divided by time. Time of flight first time t1 plus t2 plus t3 plus t4. Now first we have to, it's a given that for the first time average velocity is v1. So for the first time, for the first projectile, average velocity v1 is equal to air total displacement, that is a range, and range is a what? U naught square. U naught is the velocity of projection, u naught square sine 2 theta upon g, divided by time of flight for the first projectile, that is 2u sine theta upon g. Right? G would be cancelled and we get u naught square, right? 2 sine theta cos theta divided by, that is 2u naught sine theta. Dear students, sine theta u naught would be cancelled, 2 will cancel, you are left with the u naught cos theta. Even without solving, you can say that for a projectile motion, average velocity is u naught cos theta. Answer is very simple, because there is no horizontal acceleration remains active, and no horizontal acceleration acts in the projectile motion. So dear student, the average velocity remains constant for entire projectile motion, and one and only one acceleration, that is acceleration due to gravity, is acting vertically downward. It has the impact only on the vertical velocity. Vertical velocity keep changes. When the body goes up, right, the average vertical velocity decreases. At the maximum height it becomes 0, and when body begin to descend, it increases, and ultimately it reaches to the same value with that body has been projected. So average vertical velocity is 0. So the average velocity is that is average horizontal velocity, and that is a u naught cos theta. Let's move towards our question, that for the entire motion, average velocity we can find in this. The average velocity that is given 0.8 v1, and that is equal to r1 plus r2 plus dot 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 divided by t1 plus t2 plus dot dot dot. Now 0.8 v1 is a u naught cos theta. Now dear student, replace the value. R1 is a what? U naught square sine 2 theta divided by g plus u naught. Here is a velocity of projection is a u naught by alpha. So u naught square means u naught square or alpha square g sine 2 theta. There is no change in theta. Next time it is u naught square or alpha square means alpha to the power 4 g sine 2 theta plus dot 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 divided by t1 is a u naught. T is equal to u naught 2 u naught sine theta divided by g. For the second one, 2 u naught sine theta, or u is a u naught by alpha, and then it is a 2 u naught sine theta over alpha. This is a alpha square g plus dot dot dot. Now look here, what's a common? Take out u naught cos theta, sorry. Now look here, dear student, here is a u naught square sine 2 theta over g common. Here is a 2 u naught sine theta over g common. Now it becomes, at the top you are left with 1 plus 1 by alpha square plus 1 by alpha 4 plus dot dot dot. Now here you are left with 1 plus 1 by alpha plus 1 by alpha square plus dot dot dot. Now dear students, let's solve this. Dear students, if you are the aspirant, JEE aspirant, then you should be very smart in calculation, right? Look here how 0.8 u naught cos theta is equal to, solve here, it says g will cancel, 1 u naught will be cancelled, sin 2 theta is a 2 sin theta cos theta, so 2 sin theta is a cancel, so you are left with the cos theta, so it turns out to be u naught cos theta, right? And here is a GP, you know, and having the common ratio 1 by alpha square in numerator and in denominator common ratio is 1 by alpha. So it turns out to be, you know, the sum of GP for the infinite term is a S is equal to A upon 1 minus R. A is a here 1 minus A upon 1 minus R. A upon 1 minus R is a what? 1 by alpha square here. And again here, A upon 1 minus R is a 1 by alpha here, common ratio is 1 by alpha. So what we get, look here, u naught cos theta is a cancel, 0.8 is equal to, now if alpha square is a LCM, alpha square minus 1 over alpha square, this alpha square goes here, so alpha square over alpha minus 1 into, now look here, alpha minus 1 over alpha goes here, alpha upon alpha minus 1, and again you can bring alpha minus 1 here, alpha. This is right. It was it was alpha square minus 1. Alpha square minus 1. Now look here. It will be alpha plus 1, right? A square minus b square I applied here. So it is a 0.8 alpha plus 1 is equal to alpha. So 0.8 alpha plus 0.8 is equal to alpha. Bring it to here. It is a 0.2 alpha is equal to 0.8. So alpha is equal to 0.8 by 0.2, that is 2 4 and alpha is equal to 4, right? For such a classic problem, stay tuned. I am Ranjan Kumar. This is my channel Positron. Meet you in next video. Thanks.